Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Coffee Sips and Paint Clips, and today I'm reviewing the TRUECOAT 360 Cordless Connect. This is a paint sprayer attachment for your drill that can convert your drill into a paint sprayer. I saw it in the store and I thought it was pretty cool, right? You know, I gotta buy it. I think it was around 180 bucks. It wasn't bad at all. Don't mind the box, by the way. It looked like somebody gave it a roundhouse, but it was their last one. Oh well. But anyway, let's get back to it. So you don't need to thin paint. It's easy to clean. It works with drills and impact drivers. That's pretty cool, right? Let's check out the box here. You know, this is great for just small projects like chairs. You know, you got like a little box you want to spray outside or something. Graffiti, conduit pipes on homes, electrical boxes on the exterior of homes. Just real small stuff. I'm excited. I am excited. Let's cut this thing open. Oh, okay. So this thing is fairly heavy. It's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. Oh wow, it comes with the paint tip already in it. Spray, unclog, okay. Alright, pretty cool, pretty cool. Lock it down like this. I'm using a monster battery, by the way. This Makita 4-amp battery. So this is the sprayer hooked up to the drill, right? And it comes with this tip. Oh, this tip is a lot. Oh, it's a plastic tip. Wow, I never saw a tip like this before. Interesting. You know, here's an example of a regular Rack X tip. You know, they give you this little itty bitty plastic tip. So yeah, you won't be able to use these tips at all. No way. But it's all right. It's not what I'm not gonna spray a whole house with this thing. I just want to do a couple little things like graffiti, conduit pipes. So it comes with the straighters. Oh yeah, and one other thing before I forget, it comes with this seal lube. And what this is basically is it seals this seal that's in here, keeps it airtight. So you gotta lube it up. It's almost like it's a little chapstick. You just coat it like this to keep that seal, right? Load it up and then put it away, right? And when you load it up with your paint, you tighten it up, right? It's very important that seal stays connected to this lip, because if there's any air, this gun isn't gonna work. You know, paint could start seeping and spilling out. You know, it could be a big mess. So this is a important piece. Whatever that says, I have no clue, but we're gonna cover it up with the TRUECOAT 360. Let's go. Squeeze. Get the air out. Prime. All right. Turn this thing. Boom. We in there. Look at that. No overspray at all. I mean, this is a commercial space. This door has been painted easily over 50 times. And look at that. That door is done. And that door is solid. You know, this ain't the early 90s, man. I like the technology. This is a great device. Very impressed, Graco. Salute. Like, I'm not even worried about any overspray with this thing, man. And I'm right next to all these cars over here. I'm right next to body shops and all types of stuff, and I'm not worried at all. I mean, this thing, graffiti done, and I didn't have to bust out a sheepskin roller, a lamb's wool, whatever, you know. All right, here's my conclusion of the TRUECOAT 360 Cordless Connect. This is a really good sprayer, you know, and this is coming from a professional that does this every day, been doing this for over 20 years now, you know. And you know, this thing is really for, you know, it's for specific things. Like for me on a job, like conduit pipes, electrical boxes, graffiti, little things that I don't want to like, you know, bust out a brush for, you know, bust out a roller for, and then it's gonna take me 3 to 4 coats for it to like cover and all this, you know. And this is coming from a person that like has pumps, you know. I got the big boy right here. I got a 495, you know. I got HVOPs, you know. I got Nova 395s. I got like hybrid pumps. I mean, I got them all. I got the full spectrum. But this thing is a specific thing for me, and I think this is pretty great. Anyway, that's my review. Like, comment, subscribe, you know. Hope to see you on the next one. Thank you very much.